Korean shareholder returns just hit a record. Short pause. The share prices did not follow. Listed companies committed 43.2 trillion won, about $31 billion, in cash dividends in the first half. Treasury share cancellations passed acquisitions for the first time last year. Japan raised payouts before Korea did, and the results split sharply by earnings growth. It's Thursday, August 27th. Here's what investors are watching in Korea today. The Korea Exchange released first-half dividend decisions on August 26th. A revised commercial act took effect in March, requiring newly acquired treasury shares to be canceled within 1 year in principle. Separate taxation of dividend income for high payout companies landed alongside it, pushing shareholder returns to the top of the market agenda. Here's what the numbers show. 43.2 trillion won, about $31 billion, is the first-half dividend total, against 50.9 trillion won, roughly $37 billion for all of last year. Treasury share cancellations reached 21.4 trillion won last year, more than 4 times the level 2 years earlier, and above acquisitions of 20.1 trillion won. Matter of fact, telecom services carry the highest payout ratio at 46.4%, while semiconductors sit lowest at 15.5% on SK Securities data. Semiconductors still rank first on earnings momentum at 100 points, with securities at 81 and insurance at 77. The KOSPI closed at 6,808.21, up 65.47 points, with the won at 1,384.80 per dollar. NTT has raised its dividend for 16 straight years, yet its shares are up about 7% this year, trailing the index. So what does this mean for investors tracking Korea today? Earlier, we said Japan raised payouts before Korea did. Here's what that actually means for you. Payout policy sets a floor, while earnings momentum decides the re-rating, and Japan's bank index rose roughly fivefold in 4 years because profits recovered with the payouts. POSCO Holdings and Hyundai Motor both expanded returns and still failed to re-rate, so screening on yield alone is the weaker trade. Watch second-half payout decisions from banks and insurers sitting near 28 and 29%. Watch Kakao's shareholder return roadmap against its artificial intelligence spending. Watch the one near 1,385, the level shaping foreign flows. That's today's AI Prism Securities Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.